Road trip! Yee! We drove all the way to Maine so we can make a road trip from Maine to New York in one day, and we have a couple stops that we need to make. First stop will be Newport, Rhode Island. There's a beautiful cliff walk. You see a lot of mansions, like multi-million-dollar mansions there. So maybe we spend about an hour there. It's a long cliff walk, but we can't spend all day there because we have to get to New York by at least afternoon or nighttime. But the second spot will be Louis Lunch. They said it's the first ever invented burger in the world or in the state. New Haven, Connecticut. So that's the two main spots that we have to hit today. And last spot will be, of course, Manhattan. Yeah, I'll see you guys there. Finally, we made it to Newport, Rhode Island, and here's the cliff walk. And check this out, right there by the ocean. Stand right there, Sweater. Stand right there. Yeah. Look out. Look the other way. Yeah. I'm gonna take a picture right there. That's nice. Toby, you like it? You like it? He's scared. So, I took a picture for my parents right here, right at this spot. Since they blocked the road right here, we're gonna find another way to walk on the other side of the cliff walk where we see all the multi-million-dollar mansion. And unfortunately, the restroom is closed. So, and I needed to pee. Really needed to pee. In the summertime, it's definitely more people and the weather is nicer. But if I can take you back around sunset though, man, oh. No, but sunset will be on this side, and then on the ocean side will be sunrise, which is chef kiss. Chef kiss. This is probably one of the nicest university I've ever seen, with this $1 million view right in front. Nice trail next to the ocean. Hey, I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's people actually surfing down there. Surfing, not serving. Surfing. What a beautiful day. I wish it would be less cloudy, but the sun just came out, so it's a little bit warmer now. But man, those mansions are pretty. Look at this one. They got a sunroom all the way up here. There's a sunroom all the way out here. And see, they got all this view. Sipping tea in that sunroom. Man, the amount of money over here is crazy. So unfortunately here, they don't have any more trail. So you gotta walk on the rock until you reach all the way to the other side. Then they have more trails for us to walk. With the dog it's very hard to, we will almost have to carry them all the way. Yeah, we are both hungry by now. It's already past lunchtime. We should be heading back to New York, and we're gonna stop by the second spot, Louis Lunch, Connecticut, New Haven. I'll see you guys over there. Woo! Yeah, I was thinking, since we're going to eat burger, what if we get a Big Mac and compare it?
I mean, there's nothing to compare.
The first burger ever versus the most burger ever eaten. And McDonald's is right here. Let's go. Can I get 2 cheeseburgers?
Tomato and onion on both?
Yes, everything.
We're here to go.
I'll get to go. Thank you. Have a good one.
Thank you.
Louis lunch. Woo! So hungry. I got Pepsi too. First burger ever created in the United States. And we got Big Mac. Man, I'm gonna gain like 5 pounds today. And all burger here are cooked to medium rare, no matter what. For the size of the meat, you see how thick it is? Perfect medium rare. But flavor wise, it needs a touch of salt. But I gotta say, it's very good. Now we try the Big Mac. See how flat the meat is? There's no thickness to it. Cheese is not even melt. But you got pickles, you got lettuce, and you got, what is it, mayo? Okay, every time I eat Big Mac, I have to eat it with a drink. If not, I will not be able to swallow it. It's dry. It's a lot of bun instead of a lot of meat. Because they have the sauce, it makes it edible. If I say this is not good, that'll be a lie. But compare these two, Louis Lunch, first ever created burger in the US. That's a win for me. I'm gonna finish my lunch at 5 o'clock and I'm gonna see you guys in Manhattan, New York City. Woo. I do spend a lot of time being on the road, driving, flying, doesn't matter, and all those time I really think about how can I improve my content. It's like I want to deliver content that is meaningful, at the same time entertaining for you guys, entertaining for the viewers, but I'm trying to bring a lot of value into the videos along with my journey of traveling for work. If you guys have a good idea, let me know down in the comments and I'll do my best to bring out the best quality content for you. So that's what I've been working on lately. Real quick, before she hears me. So I promised her last year that I was gonna take her here. And finally today, 2025, finally I got the chance to make that promise come true. Yeah. So very, very proud of that. What's up? Here we are at Trump Tower. And right next to it is a giant suitcase, Louis Vuitton. Yeah, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe.